What's going on today, everybody? I hope you're having a good day. I know I am because we're working on the new car. One thing that's been bugging me for a long time is these side markers. So you look at the side of the car, it's completely black, everything's nice and dark colors, and then all of a sudden there's this one bright orange piece right on the side, and it just makes everything look ugly. So with that, we got ourselves some markers to fix that. Now these are smoked out and they're clear. Not clear, they're white lights, so that will change the look of the car, but also still keep the functionality of it. So we'll go ahead, I'll show you what I'm talking about. It's a little dark outside, but we'll work with what we got. So let's get to this install. There you go, even in the dark it makes it huge impact on the whole side of the car. This thing, while it might serve its purpose, definitely not the most ideal for aesthetics and keeping everything nice and black and dark. This is a dark color car. I want to keep the dark colors and the chromes. There's not enough orange or reflective to tie it into a theme, so we're going to keep it with the blacks, the chromes, the dark colors. That's got to go. First things first, I've gone ahead and I've removed the two Torx bits right there. They're 15s, it won't show up. Two 15s, gone ahead and removed, and there's two clips that hold the inside of this on. Now I've gone ahead and removed them, and I've made a mistake. What I really should do is take care of the clip that's holding on the light or giving it power first. So work on getting the clip off, and then we'll work on getting the actual marker out. So let's go ahead and get this power clip off of here. So I will show you the fault of my ways. These little clips right here hold the back of that in, so they go down and actually pinch it up against the inside of the fender liner. So you got to pop this out. There's two of them. One pops. One's up at the top up here. That one goes up, and then this one comes up towards you. There's one right there as well. And that will allow it to get loose. And now you can get it loose, but the actual clip is holding the light in place. So, before you undo those clips, go ahead and take the power connector off of it, because right now I'm fighting with having to try to pull this power connector off, and it's not working out for me, especially because the indent or the piece to push is on the top. It's very hard to get to and wiggle, but we'll keep trying on it. We'll get that clip off there. So here they are. Here's the old one, old reflective one, and here's the new one, new blacked out, and it's got LED strips in there instead of one little bulb in the middle making the light work. So way cooler, actually hides in the dark. So we'll go ahead and throw this one on this side. Now you got a better look of this clip. You can see the little red tab right there. That tab needs to be pushed all the way back, so you can grab it with your fingernail or a wrench or something, and it will actually move. It'll actually move back, pushes all the way back, becomes loose. So now you can actually get the piece in there. Now let's go ahead and install in the reverse order. We'll give this a quick little rub down since it's so dirty, and then put this new pin in with the new supplied clips in the back side of it, and you just push down and they clip in there. We'll go ahead and install those. Now I am well aware that was probably very hard to see, but it also gives the most dramatic effect for the lights. So with that, let's go over what is actually happening behind those lenses. I'll show you the old lenses. We'll go through how to actually get the clips off and just how to get them out. So if you've stuck around this long, thank you, and here's a much better explanation of what's going on underneath the fender, because it's hard to show. It's hard to get a camera behind the fender It's hard to film at night, so let's do it in the garage, in the safety of the warmth garage. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how to get these out of the car. So here we go. We've got our passenger side, we've got our driver side. Now they're both exactly the same, other than flip the opposite way. The tabs are both on the top, so this is the top side. This is where the tab sits for the pressure clip. With that, you take the red piece, you shove it all the way back, and then you can go ahead and push the clip down to get it over this little nub right here. So you'll push the red pin back this way, and then you can pinch it and get it off. It's kind of tough. I had to use some long needle nose on this one, and finally came loose. Once you get that loose, then it's on to actually taking this piece out of the fender itself. Now you've got these little clips. These clips sit in here flush like this. Like this. There we go, like that. And the actual fender liner sits in here. So that's what holds it in, is this clip puts pressure on the fender liner so it'll actually hold everything in. With that, you need to push this pin down, and you can get it to go down and out. This is a brand new one, so I probably won't be able to finesse it with my fingers, but go ahead, we'll push down on this pin and push it out, and then it will pop right out of the hole. So it's held in there like that. You gotta push this part of it down, which is the bump side. This side sits on your fender liner. Push it down and up. Both of them are facing up, so they're facing that way, and also that way. So when you go in behind the car, you'll actually see it like, you'll see this side. So you'll be able to get on top of this one and kind of push this way. This one's a little bit tougher. I kind of messed this one up by trying to pull it out, trying to reef underneath here. I grabbed some needle nose and it went way easier. Just grab some needle nose, pinch on the bottom, and it pops right up and out. And then the other one you want popped up and out, but it eventually will pop up and out, and then you can take the whole piece and pull it out of the car. So there you go. Got both the old ones out, the new ones installed, and what a drastic improvement it's made in the car already. So hopefully that long-winded explanation helped you guys out a little bit. It's kind of easier to see it outside the car and visualize what you need to do before you get in there. Makes it a lot easier than just going in and reefing with a screwdriver and trying to hope for the best. That's what happened on the first one, and then we did some learning and made the other three to where we didn't actually ruin anything. So we got them out, we got the new ones installed, and they look so much better. It changes the whole theme of the car, and it's not going to matter really which color car you have. Any color car is going to benefit from having a smoked out lens versus the non-smoked out lens. I got the white lights to match the white lights around the actual headlights assembly, so it would kind of match the whole theme. Orange would also go great because it's marker side, so the marker would pop up, but I just wanted white to make it look the same as the front ones. Here you go. Here's the no-name Amazon lights. So with that, I'm going to put these guys in long-term storage, probably in the trash can. I'm gonna get out of here. You guys take it easy. I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna go enjoy this mod, go have the wife drive around the corner, probably look at it real quick. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna enjoy mine. Take it easy, everyone. Peace. If you do this mod, I want to see it. Leave a link to something down below. Instagram, whatever. I would love to see what you guys chose, what your flavor is. I want to see the different accents on the different cars. That would be cool to see. It'd be cool for everybody else to see. So if you've done it on your car, let me know what you've done. down in the comments, you can link a video or Instagram or whatever you want, and that would be killer to see everybody else's cars and their color combinations. So leave that comment down below and let me know. Take it easy, everyone. Peace.